Hello everyone, this is my presentation on negative reinforcement. My name is Haley Hare. So here's an example of negative reinforcement in the real world. Just imagine hopping into your car and you turn it on. You begin to drive and have forgotten to do something very important. You've forgotten to buckle your seatbelt. So the car begins to beep. But, of course, this sound is obnoxious, and so you decide to buckle your seatbelt like you should do anyways. However, now the sound is magically removed. This is an example of negative reinforcement because once you do the desired behavior, the undesirable beeping sound is removed. So, negative reinforcement is just taking away an undesirable for demonstrating a desired behavior. So this example, the girl's playing really annoying music, and then after she finishes her paper, it's taken away. Negative reinforcement works because it provides students with an incentive to remove something they don't like if they do what the desired behavior is. So here's a few examples of negative reinforcement in the classroom. If a student completes an assignment, they get to leave the classroom, and so the classroom setting is removed. If the student stays in his seat and they get out of cleaning the tables after lunch. And then another example is student completes 10 math problems and doesn't have to complete the homework assignment for the night. Thank you for listening.